was to put a 160 watt times 2 amplifier like I had in King Jerry over here into this guy here to get full power, because this woofer is rated at about 150, 160 watts RMS anyway, times 2. So it'd be a good match. So, and I also wanted to tone down the tunneling effect of the woofer by using crossovers on the woofer side. Low pass filters is what these are. About 800 hertz, 12 decibel per octave roll off. All right, long story short, I got creative and took the back off this 160 watt times 2 Nobsound amplifier, drilled some holes in the back, mounted these guys up here like this, and everything was hunky-dory until I blew the amplifier up. And literally right here is where it just billowed out smoke on the cap right here. This is a 50 volt 3,900 microfarad Nisha. Looks like a cheap Chinese knockoff cap right here. This may be able to get repaired, but I mean literally smoke came right out of that thing. And there's no chance in hell I was putting more than 50 volts on this thing at all. But I have the same amplifier in Super Jerry 2 here, which was in King Jerry, which is now in here, and it's performing beautifully. I got it tuned up to 35 volts, full power. Great sound, great sound. And the whole goal is maximum thump out of these ammo can speaker boxes, stereo, Bluetooth. And so much going on with King Jerry there, with the electronics and the size of the woofer and the port tuning. Just scratching my head trying to figure out what I can do. I may still resurrect this with a smaller amplifier, but it's not going to have the power of Super Jerry 2. Now the port and the tuning with Super Jerry 2 is about damn near perfect for this can here. Got it down to about 35 hertz or so. So when it hits low, it hits low. Now with more additional power, even more bass. Man, I tell you, getting back on the horse again here with all my builds after being sick. A little bit better today. Doing like 3 or 4 hour stints and have to lay down, and now I'm back at it a little bit this afternoon, this evening. But pretty happy with the way Super Jerry turned out here. And I had a blown tweeter, if you remember correctly, before. But yeah, she's got some boogie now. Real loud sounding. And that tunneling is really weird. The reason why I didn't put those crossovers in there because of the tunneling effect. You're using a woofer as a full range driver, but it just had some, around 1,000, 2,000 hertz, it had some shrill to it. And it's because of the dust cap right here. But now, I don't know what I did, but it seems to be mitigated. It seems to be toned down a little bit. It's a lot smoother sounding. I don't know if it was an amplifier issue or something in the cabinet that I did differently. I don't know, but it sounds good now, and we're going to leave it as is. So hope everybody's doing well. Shout out to Randy. Hope you're feeling better, bud. And talk to you later. Thanks for watching.